In today's fast-paced world, where information is constantly flowing, the importance of clear, accurate, and reliable documentation cannot be overstated. This is especially true in industries like pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and manufacturing, where documentation isn't just a record-keeping task. It's a critical element of quality, safety, and regulatory compliance. That's where good documentation practices, or GDoc-P, come in. So, what exactly are good documentation practices? At its core, GDoc-P is a set of principles and guidelines that ensure documentation is accurate, reliable, traceable, and understandable. It's about creating a system where information is recorded consistently, maintained securely, and can be easily retrieved when needed. Why is GDoc-P so important? First and foremost, it ensures product quality and patient safety. In the pharmaceutical industry, for example, accurate documentation is essential for tracking the entire life cycle of a drug, from its development and manufacturing to its distribution and use. Any errors or omissions in documentation can have serious consequences, potentially leading to faulty products, safety issues, and regulatory breaches. GDoc-P also plays a crucial role in regulatory compliance. Agencies like the FDA and EMA have strict requirements for documentation, and companies must adhere to these regulations to bring their products to market and maintain their licenses. Proper documentation demonstrates that processes are controlled, data is reliable, and all necessary steps have been followed. But GDoc-P is not just about meeting regulatory requirements, it's also about good business practice. Clear and accurate documentation improves efficiency, reduces errors, and facilitates knowledge transfer. It provides a reliable record of what has been done, making it easier to troubleshoot problems, investigate deviations, and improve processes. So what are the key principles of good documentation practices? Let's take a closer look. Attributable. It should be clear who recorded the data, who performed an activity, and who made a decision. Legible. Documentation should be easy to read and understand, whether it's handwritten or electronic. Contemporaneous. Data should be recorded at the time the activity is performed, not later. Original. The original record should be maintained, and any changes should be clearly documented. Accurate. Documentation should be free from errors and reflect what actually happened. Complete. All relevant information should be included, and no data should be omitted. Consistent. Documentation should be formatted and recorded in a consistent manner. Enduring. Records should be stored securely and retained for the required period. Available. Documentation should be easily accessible when needed. In today's digital age, many organizations are transitioning from paper-based to electronic documentation systems. While electronic systems offer many advantages, such as increased efficiency and improved data integrity, they also come with their own set of challenges. It's essential to implement controls to ensure data security, prevent unauthorized access, and maintain an audit trail of all changes. In conclusion, good documentation practices are more than just a set of rules. They are a fundamental principle that underpins quality, safety, and compliance in regulated industries. By adhering to these practices, organizations can ensure the integrity of their data, improve their processes, and ultimately deliver better products and services. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.